Hand-made lollipops. Use clay to make it. That looks more real. Insert a bamboo stick. I like all these four colors so much. They are all beautiful. Make a packaging box for the candy. Decorate with magic. Put on my favorite Sanrio stickers. Looks good. Delicious lollipop is not only beautiful to look at, you can also take it out and pinch it at any time. Wishing bottle. Design a wishing bottle. Remember to cut two parts. First one painting pattern, the second one hollowing out. Then put in the new clay I bought. This color is very beautiful. You can make it long by gently pulling it. And if you break it hard, it broke easily. Design a small label for the wishing bottle. Cece's New Year's wish is to buy a kitten. Dears, what is your wish? Squishy. Place the tape on the board. Wrap the clay with it. Put some potato flour. It'll feel better. Put in package. Finished. Enjoy it. Donuts. Draw two circles on cardboard. Draw some patterns you like. Cut off the middle. Put an inflated balloon on the back. Just a little bit of air needed. Let's play and enjoy.